First, you want to choose a notebook that you can live and work in, that you don't mind getting creased and has room to grow, and pages that you can tear and paint and write on. Then gather together some paper scraps or stickers, old Polaroids or stamps, things that you can add to your journal to give it a little character. For a few extra design elements and images, download my free printable and cut everything out to use in your journal. Start collaging your page and don't worry too much about messing up or making it look perfect. The collage only gets better as you keep working with it, so just play around with different layouts and textures until you start to see something you like. Give your art journal a more personal touch by adding your own art. Draw freely without the need to create a masterpiece. You can paint the color of the sky, or sketch a vase of flowers, or just doodle the cover of your favorite music album. You could consider making an art journal spread about things like your dreams and goals, or a favorite quote, memories from past travels, or even a song that you've been loving lately. Be inspired by the world around you and the life you're living, and create art to celebrate it.